I started with the firm as a law student, and the full name of the firm is Fragomen, Delray, Bernson, and Lowy. And one of our now retired partners, A.J. Delray, was a professor at Rutgers Law School, where I was attending. So in my second year, I thought I took his seminar, and I found immigration law fascinating. It's a very rich, dense area, very statutorily based. And I had heard that there was an organization with a list of immigration lawyers. So I went up to Professor Delray, as I knew him at that time, and said, I'm looking for a summer position. Could you please give me the list of people who focus in this area, because I'm quite interested in the field. So he, as it happened, he said, well, we've got a position at my firm, Fragomen. Come in for an interview. So I came in, and he recommended me based on my classwork, and I've been here ever since. So I've been with the firm since 1977 in every capacity, from law clerk to associate to partner. I managed a branch office for 19 years. I started my career in New York, and now I've come full circle and come back to the mothership, New York being our main office. And I've seen the firm grow from the one office we had in New York, which was on a single floor at Madison Avenue, to 30 offices in all of these different countries. One of the things that's unique about immigration, I think, is the length of time that you have a relationship with a client. Because I've done cases for people, and this is across the board, many, many times, and all of the lawyers here have experienced this, where you have someone who perhaps goes to school and then starts out and gets a professional visa. Then they get a green card, and 5 years later they become a citizen. And then they start their own company, and they bring their own employees in. So we have very close relationships with clients.